already discussed the meaning of correlation. Can you please explain what is the meaning of correlation? Who will explain? Yes, please raise your hand. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, let us see the relationship between the two variables. So let us see this correlation studies. It means in the correlation analysis, we studies the relationship between two variables. Suppose x and y, they are the two variables. Okay. So what is the relation in between these two variables that is being studied in the correlation? Have you understand the meaning of correlation?
Yes,
So
sir.
correlation, let us see, is of different types. One is positive correlation, another one is the negative correlation. Are you understanding? So positive correlation. What is positive correlation? We'll explain. Positive correlation. Let us see. Positive correlation is a correlation in which both the variables move in the same direction. Move in the same direction. Whereas negative correlation, do you know the negative correlation? Negative correlation is a correlation in which both the variables move in the opposite direction. Move in the opposite direction. So it means, let us see, one is moving in one side, another is moving in another side. That is called negative correlation. I think it's clear. Let us see, today what we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss is the techniques for measuring correlation. Techniques for measuring correlation. Let us see the techniques for measuring correlation. Techniques. So techniques. Techniques for measuring correlation. So there are different techniques which are used in order to measure the correlation. Do you know what are the techniques for measuring the correlation? So in order to determine the correlation, in order to establish the relationship between the two variables, there are three methods generally used. How many methods? Three methods are used. The first method is known as the scatter diagram. Which method? Scatter diagram. So let us see. This first one is called scatter diagram. Which diagram? Scatter diagram. Second method is known as the Karl-Pearson. Karl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. What is the second method?
Coefficient of correlation.
And third one is known as Spearman's rank correlation. So these are the three methods used in measuring the correlation, in measuring the relation between two variables. दुईटा variable को relation measure गर्नुको लागि कतिवटा मेथड छ? तीनवटा मेथड छ. First method
Scatter diagram.
second one is
Coefficient of correlation.
and third one is
Spearman's rank correlation.
okay. So in our syllabus, let us see, these two methods are given. Third method is not given this year. Okay. So we'll study one by one. First one is the scatter diagram. Let us see a scatter diagram. Scatter diagram. This scatter diagram is a graphical presentation of the relationship between the two variables. Are you understanding? It is a graphical presentation. It is a graphical presentation of the relationship between two variables. Are you understanding? Graphical presentation of the relationship between the two variables. Here let us see what happened. In a scatter diagram, no calculation is needed, no mathematics is needed. यहाँ mathematics को काम चाहिए. Okay? यहाँ के use गर्छ हामी? diagram only. With the help of diagram, are you understanding?
Yes,
We
sir.
can identify that whether that correlation is positive or correlation is negative, or whether there is no correlation, whether the correlation is perfectly positive or whether the correlation is perfectly negative. Are you understanding? So this scatter diagram, under the scatter diagram, let us see what we have to do. We have to plot the variables. Duita variables hoche we have to plot that variables. X variables are there, Y variables are there. We can present X and Y variables on the x-axis and y-axis. Are you understanding? We can plot the x-axis, means X variable on which axis? X-axis or horizontal axis. बुझे means X variable जो होचे that is plotted on horizontal axis, and Y variable is plotted on which axis? Y-axis. Clear? And then after what can we do? We'll see the means different points. Different points, different dots. Points means different dots can be plotted on a graph paper. We'll plot the different dots, and if we find that both the variables they move positively, both are moving, then we can say it is positive correlation. Let us see here also. If we plot a scatter diagram, I told you that in the scatter diagram there is no numerical calculation, there is no mathematical calculation. There is only diagrammatic presentation of the relationship between how many variables? Two variables. So let us see here also. According to the scatter diagram, this different diagrams are of different types. First one, the first one we can say the first is positive correlation.
Positive correlation.
Correlation, positive correlation. First one is positive correlation. Positive correlation. It means this correlation you are knowing R is positive. Okay, R is positive means what happens? If you plot the relation between the two variables on a graph paper, you take the example. Okay, if suppose you take the example of height and weight, height and weight. Can you give some another example of the positive correlation? Any example कोई सोच रहा बताओ तो? Positive correlation का example, है ना? Positive correlation, ये positive correlation. Summer season बड़ा बच्चे क्या होंगे? The sale of ice cream will increase or decrease? Increase. If the summer season will increase, if the temperature will increase, then what will happen? The sale of ice cream will increase. It means what happens? Let us see. If we plot on a graph paper, यहाँ बताओ. अब यहाँ suppose suppose यहाँ weight रखे हुए. एउटा x-axis भयो then another one is y-axis. X-axis, suppose this is weight, this is height. Height will increase, weight will also increase. You might have seen it generally. That generally whenever we our weight means height increases, our weight also increases up to certain time, certain age only. We cannot say that always the weight will increase when the height will increase. Clear? So, but we have seen, and we have seen the temperature increases. Temperature jati बढ़ता जान्छ नि, then what happens? The sale of ice cream increases. Yeah, suppose if we plot on a graph paper, suppose यहाँ यस्तो निस्किन्छ है. Are you understanding? Cluster हुन्छ point. Suppose this is. Are you seeing this? This shows. Let us see what this shows. That x increases, y also increases. Both variables. Here what happened? That we have seen both variables move. Both variables move in the same direction. Is it clear? यहाँ correlation को value क्या होता है? Negative to positive. Positive. Have you understand positive correlation? Yes, if you plot on a graph paper, we get such type of diagram. Here all the dots are clustered. Okay, the dots, but they are in the they are increasing. X is increasing, y is also increasing. The slope, इसको slope जो होता है क्या होता है? नेगेटिभ कि पोजिटिभ पोजिटिभ स्लोप हुन्छ स्लोप पढेको छ क्लास 10 मा ओके हैव यु स्टडीड द स्लोप ओके सो स्लोप जुन हुन्छ नि स्लोप भन्छ है स्लोप इज के हो नेगेटिभ टु पोजिटिभ पोजिटिभ स्लोप है यहाँ स्लोप पोजिटिभ द सेकेन्ड वन इज हैन नेगेटिभ कोरिलेसन है के हुन्छ नेगेटिभ कोरिलेसन है negative correlation. Let us see in the negative correlation what happens that if x increases, y decreases. With the chart, if x increases, y decreases, or if y decreases, x increases. If two variables are there, if you take the example of the summer season, when the summer increases, when the temperature increases, then what happens? The demand of the woolen cloth increases or decreases? Decreases. Are you understanding? When summer will increase, suppose in the month of March, April, May, June, can you wear your sweater?
No.
Can you wear your jacket? Okay, you cannot wear your woolen clothes. Eh? It means what happens? Let us see. If you take the, suppose here x and y axis, here x axis and y axis. Eh? This is x-axis and y-axis. Two variables we have taken. Okay. Suppose this is summer season. Okay. Summer temperature is increasing. Okay. Then what will happen? The demand of the woolen cloth will decrease. In these cases, let us see that points will be like that. Okay. So here let us see the cluster is the different dots of the or different points are they are negatively sloped. Here the slope is negative. Here what happens? Both the variables say kun variables are x and y move move in the opposite direction. Kun direction?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction. Have you understand? Both moves in the opposite direction. Both are moving in the opposite direction. I think it's clear, eh?
Yes, sir.
Both moves in the. Here, Junchani, R is positive or negative?
Negative.
Here, slope Junchani, positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Let us see. Similarly, there are. Suppose there another correlation. Okay, there is perfect positive correlation. Okay, perfect positive correlation. What is the name? Perfect positive correlation. Perfect positive correlation. Perfect positive correlation में क्या होता है? Perfect positive correlation. In the perfect positive correlation, the proportionate change in x and y both are same. Percentage change है x में and y में जो percentage change होता नहीं तो क्या होता? Same होता, equal होता. Are you understanding? So you take the example, है ना? Percentage है. So this is y and this is x. Change in x, change in x and change in y. Change in x and change in y. यहाँ suppose कति को change होता रहेगा 10% and y में कति change होता रहेगा only 10%. Are you understanding? X and y में जो change है एकदम equal है क्या है? Equal change है, proportionate change है. Okay? So this now if you will plot on a graph paper, then you will find that all dots are lying on a straight line. Where? A straight line है. जो त्यति प्लॉट गर्छ नि ग्राफ पेपरमा त जुन डट्स हुन्छ नि त्यो त्यसमा हुन्छ स्ट्रेट लाइनमा. आर यु सीइङ दिस?
Yes, sir.
हैन स्ट्रेट लाइनमा हुन्छ. त्यति बेला जुन कोरिलेसन हुन्छ नि, डु यु नो दिस इज कॉल्ड परफेक्ट पोजिटिभ. के भन्छ?
Perfect positive.
परफेक्ट पोजिटिभ. Perfect positive. Have you understand perfect positive correlation?
Yes, sir.
Perfect positive correlation में जो R को value हुन्छ नि, this is +1 हुन्छ. कति हुन्छ?
+1.
Correlation is equal to
Plus one.
Have you understand? Both. First one we have seen a positive correlation. Second one is negative correlation, and third one is
Perfect positive correlation.
and fourth one is perfect negative correlation. Fourth one is perfect. Very good. Perfect negative correlation. So in perfect negative correlation, what happens? Let us see that both the variables move in the opposite direction, but proportionate change in both the variables are same. Okay, but they move in the opposite direction. Okay, and when we plot on a graph paper, the points, the dots will lie on a straight line. क्या lie करसा? A straight line में lie करसा. You take the example. यहाँ है ना? We have taken, let us see, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Are you understanding? Negative. Suppose this is negative. Sorry, perfectly. Perfectly. It means, let us see what happens. These dots will lie on a straight line. Dots will lie on which line? Straight line. If we plot the relation between the two variables, and let us see the dots, they lie on a straight line, clear? But they move into the opposite direction. If suppose if 10% there is the 10% increase in temperature, and if there is 10% decrease into the woolen clothes, demand of the woolen clothes, clear? That can be represented into the diagram, and that will be known as perfect negative correlation. In the perfect negative correlation, let us see what happens. The value of R is negative. Okay? And this is R is equal to -1. And there is only the last correlation, that is called zero correlation. Which correlation?
Zero correlation.
Zero correlation. So zero correlation means, let us see, this value of R is equal to 0. Zero correlation means what happens? That one variable moves in one direction, and one variable moves upward, another variable moves downward, clear? And if there is no any relation, okay, there is no any relation between that two variables. If any two variables are there, clear? If they are moving either upward or downward, if there is no any relation between them, then that variable is known as zero correlation. Clear? So when you will plot on a graph paper, then you will get a curve like this. Zero correlation means the concept. Okay? The suppose the dots are like this. Are you seeing this?
Yes, sir.
Dots. Here, let me see this. There is no this type of, if we plot on a graph paper, and if we get the dots, they are clustered in such a situation. Clear? Okay? Here the cluster is in such a situation, then we can say there is a zero correlation. That let us see, they do not show any relation. Both the variables are not showing any relation. Are you understanding? So, if both the variables do not show any sort of relation between them, that type of correlation we call it zero correlation. Have you understand zero correlation?
Yes, sir.
So let us see what we have learned today. We have discussed, let us see, this first one is the scatter diagram. Scatter diagram. Scatter diagram. What is the scatter diagram? Yes.
It is the relationship between variables.
Very good. Graphical representation of the relationship between
Two variables.
I think it's clear, eh?
Yes,
And that what are the different types of scatter diagram? First one is
Positive correlation.
second one is
Negative correlation.
third one is
Perfect positive correlation.
one is,
Perfect negative correlation.
and fifth one is.
Zero correlation.
I think it's clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay,